Hey everybody, welcome to Life at Sunnylee with Kathy Jarvis. And it's not so sunny today. We've had sun. It's been a wonderful week until, I think it was Thursday when the rain started. But we have been on the go all week. It's been a whirlwind week. Saturday we went to a friend of ours had a appreciation party, whatever, for his business people and for his friends, and his customers and his friends. And he invited us to come. So he rented out a whole theater, and we went and we watched the Bob Marley Level 1 movie. Very good movie. I didn't know really much about him and had not listened to much of his music. He was songwriter and artist, Jamaican, and about in the early 70s, I think it was, when I was busy getting married and having kids and starting a family and didn't really listen to that much music. So I really hadn't heard much about him, but the movie was very well written, and I learned a lot about him, and not bad music, really. Kind of upbeat and joyful. So yeah, that was a fun night. I put all the animals up before, and so that way when I got home, which was kind of late, we only had to take care of the dog. And we had stopped earlier and had supper with our oldest son, and he went to the movies with us. So it was nice spending an evening with him and having time to talk and just to kind of enjoy each other, our visits and stuff. Sunday morning was bright and early. Very, very fast-paced morning. I got up, put food out for the dog, gave her pills. She's on 3 different types of medicine in the morning. Well, 3 different types of medicine that morning because I gave her heart rate medicine also. And then I got Peaches and Mitzi. Put their little harnesses on them, put them in the crates, and we took them to Tractor Supply and got their rabies shots. Had no trouble getting the harnesses on them, and I did warn the vet beforehand that if Mitzi got loose, if Mitzi got scared, Mitzi would run. And they had a little bit of trouble with her. When we got her home, I had to work to get the harness off of her because she had managed to run and try to get away from them, and got that harness from around her neck. That strap was now around her belly. So I had to work to get that off before we left to go to church. So I put them in their crates because I like to keep them crated for a couple hours afterwards just to make sure that they're not having any reactions or anything. And then we went to church. Then after church, there's a new group in our church starting. It's called Salt and Light, and it's for anybody over the age of 55. So we thought we'd check that out, especially since the lady that basically is in charge of it is a pretty good friend. I like her a lot. And we just wanted to check it out and see what it was about and what they were doing. And it looks like an interesting thing, so we'll probably go to a few other things to see how it turns out. And then all the people there, most of them we knew and were friends with or worked with in the past. So it's nice touching bases with them. I mean, it's a large church. We all go to church, but we don't really have that much communication. It's like go to church, come home. You talk to the people that you pass by, but if they go out one door and you're usually going out another door, you don't see them. So it's kind of nice to touch base with old friends that we haven't seen for a while. And then came home and took care of the animals and stuff. And then Monday was another day that we were on the run again. He had a doctor's appointment. He's got a couple moles that he wanted to have checked out. It was a dermatologist appointment. He had a couple moles he wanted to check out, and they all turned out okay. Tuesday, I have an eye appointment. Kind of disappointed on that. though I wasn't really that, I was surprised, but I wasn't that surprised. Let's put it this way. I've been having a lot of problems with my eyes lately. I have no problem reading on the computer or up close, but when I look out at the distance, things were a little bit harder to see. So I was not surprised when he said I needed new glasses. So that was Tuesday. And then Wednesday, we went to the gym, went and mailed some letters, had to go and take care of our taxes. The accountant called and said they were ready to be signed and sent off, so we had to meet with him, or her. And then on Thursday, it started raining, and we went to town, and he got a haircut, and we did some things in town. Wednesday, we also did shopping, went and got grocery shopping. And then on Thursday evening, when we got home, took care of the animals, of course. They were all ready to come in from the rain. And I started my herbs upstairs. Had to get those going. I've got a couple of experiments going with sweet potatoes right now, so I'll fill you in on those once I see how that turns out. I've got some going in different, trying to start the slips in different mediums. So we're going to see which one does the best. So I know, because I decided I was not going to pay $25 for a handful of slips. Not even a handful. I think the last time there was only 15 slips, and I paid like $25 for them. And we don't eat that many sweet potatoes to spend $25 for slips. I mean, I could buy 25 sweet potatoes, which would last me all year almost. So we're going to try that this year. And like I said, I got the herbs started on Thursday, and Friday we went to the gym again, and Friday I finally got the decorations for the Mardi Gras taken, all the Mardi Gras decorations down, and the Easter ones taken up. And the reason it took me so long to do that is because Monday we discovered, well, not Monday, sometime in the weekend, I forgot which day, we discovered that new connection that they put in for the water tank was leaking. So we called the plumbing company, and they came out Monday morning and fixed the leak. And in the meantime, I had to wait until stuff got moved back away from my storage area, from where I keep my Easter decorations. So I had to wait until everything got moved back, and I had to wait until the floor dried completely, since it's got a little bit messy with the hot water, with the water tank leaking. Plus, he cleaned out the old water tank, and we carried it up the stairs, and that left some water also. So I had to wait a while for the water to all dry down there and clean up before I could get to my Easter stuff. So I got to that Friday and got that done. So it has been a very, very busy week again. So I hope you had a good week. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and dream big. Follow that dream. Follow your passion. Go after it. And see you in the next video. God bless. Bye, everybody.